the rivers of Babylon. By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down. Yeah, we will. When we remember Zion, that the wicked carried us away captivity, requiring of us the song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? By the rivers of Babylon. By the rivers of
She's crazy about your daddy. She's crazy like a fool.
What about Daddy Cool? I'm crazy like a fool. What about Daddy Cool? Daddy Cool. Daddy Cool. Daddy Cool. Daddy Cool. Daddy
Don't anybody move the money or your lives.
This is the story of my baker, the greenest cat from old Chicago town. She was the meanest cat.
in our Chicago town.
She was the meanest cat.
She really mowed them down.
She had no heart at all.
No heart at all.
She was the meanest cat.
Oh, she was really tough.
She left her husband flat.
She